Wait, it didn't start. Okay, go.
Hold on. Good, sorry. Okay, are you on?
Yes.
As everybody probably already knows, I'm going to be on vacation next week, and Chelsea's also going to be on vacation Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week. So we're going to have all call-offs going to Rebecca. If anybody doesn't have her phone number, please see me before the end of the week so that you can, if you need to call off, you can call off to her. Hopefully there won't be any because we have a fun week of lots of training next week because we have a few doctors out. So there's going to be lots of opportunity for training. Some of the training that we want to do is we're going to have Janet. By the end of next week, we want to have Aaron, Alexis, Melissa, and Elise signed off on A-scans. We also want to have Aaron signed off on refracting, so an optometrist will sign her off on that. We're also going to be doing some role reversal next week. You're going to see a lot of senior techs doing visual fields and OCTs, and that's so we can get Michelle Byers and so that we can get Alexis out on the floor more. Alexis' goals for next week is to concentrate on scribing. Michelle's goals for next week is to concentrate on IOPs, and when she's not filling her room doing IOP, she's to follow the tech in and also learn how to scribe. So we've switched some things to keep them on the floor as much as possible. So on Tuesday, we have Mindy Crabtree, Marlene, and Lindsay Heiser doing visual fields and OCTs. There's going to be plenty of people around if anybody has any questions, and I know Lindsay already had one training day on this, but they'll be doing all the visual fields and OCTs and training each other and asking questions if they need anything. Again, Michelle's going to be doing all IOPs that day and walking in the rooms and learning some scribing. Chelsea and Melissa will be working on A-scans. We also have Anna and Lindsay Heiser training people on A-scans. They'll be training Melissa, Elise, Alex, and Aaron. We only want one-on-one training, so since Anna and Heiser will each have two people, when someone's training on the A-scan, somebody else will be training on something else. We also have Alexis going east as much as possible. There's not a lot of east days next week, but this is just so she can get more opportunity of going in rooms with the doctors. One of the other things that we want people to get signed off on is there's been some changes to surgery scheduling when we're writing up the surgery charts. So we want everybody by the end of next week to see Sarah Barker to see how to write up surgery charts. There has been 2 changes that we want everybody to see her for. We also want everybody by the end of next week to be signed up for the MIPS training. So the pneumonia, all the questions here behind me, everybody's to be signed off for that by the end of next week if you haven't already done so. Goodbye, have a great week.
Have a good vacation.